my name is Ada Ooi. I'm a royalty and celebrity facialist and Chinese medicine practitioner. Today I am going to show you how to do a very simple lymphatic drainage massage. First step is to find a facial oil that works for you. I'm using the 001 VA Repair and Reglow Concentrate. It's made of very light non-comedogenic oil, so it doesn't clog the pores. So gently press or apply all across your face, your neck, side of your neck, front of your neck as well. First thing we want to do is to activate our lymphatic drainage system, where a lot of our lymph nodes are accumulated around this area on our collarbone. So what we want to do is to take all our fingers and rest them on the clavicle of the collarbones. Take deep breaths. 2 more. And the next one, we want to activate this area where a lot of lymphatic nodes are accumulated here, which are responsible for collecting all the waste and toxins that you have in your body too. So what we want to do is very gently just massage in circles and then go outwards, very gentle, and gradually go to the front of the ears, back of the ears, and come down back to the clavicles. Once more, very gently on the chin, and then we come further out, and then front of the ear, back of ear, side of the neck. You can either slide your hand down or you can do some pulses. And come back. Now we can start our massage. First thing, we will be doing our massage from top to the bottom. So let's do our forehead first. It's very important to open your forehead and let any toxins, waste, stagnation drain from this part, because if your forehead is loose, your eyes will be more open too. Okay, so just put all your fingers here and then end at the temple and do some circles. Your temples is where there are a lot of lymphatic nodes gather as well. So you want to just stimulate it. There you go. Once you have done this, you can do some upwards motion just to relax all the tensions you have around your eyebrows, in between your eyebrow, and then end everything back at the temple. Then we come down to our eyes. So place 2 fingers at the outer corner of your eye. You can use your 4th finger or 2nd finger, whatever works for you. And then come in, lift your eyebrow a little bit, continue lifting it, and massage the temple. Again, come in, lift. Relax your shoulders as you're doing this. Don't do this, okay? There shouldn't be any tension on the shoulders. Okay? And now we work around the upper part of your face. So place all your fingers. You can place all your fingers, or I like to do 2 fingers only because my area here is very small. So, and then relax your shoulder. Just gently move it outwards to the temple again, outwards to the temple again, and then now outwards, but come down to the back of the ears, side of the neck, come down to the clavicles. Let's do this once more. outwards, back of neck, pulse, 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 clavicles. And then now we do the lower part of our face. What I want you to do is to take two fists and then just place it under your cheekbone, and then just let your head sink into the cheekbone. This can be slightly sensitive, but that's okay. And gradually bring it back up to the side, to the back, come down again. I'm doing some circles now, and down to the clavicles. Okay, once more. Under and out, back, down, clavicles. What we now want to do is to repeat what we've done in the beginning. Very gentle. Go out. Backwards, down, last stroke, up, out, down, back to the clavicles. Last time. You use this part, up, outwards to the side of your ears, back of your neck, back of your ears, side of neck, come down. There you go. I hope you've enjoyed this massage. If you've got any comments, please feel free to leave it below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.